Hey everyone! Today you're going to learn Mrs. Meyer's infamous slope song. So hopefully you'll get up off your feet, get a little bit dancing and moving, and you're going to learn something about slope along the way. So let's get started. Whoa, are you ready? Yes. Here we go. The difference of the y and the difference of the x, also known as rise over run. Divide the two and then reduce. You got slope, 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 slope. The difference of the y and the difference of the x, also known as rise over run. Divide the two and then reduce. You got slope, 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 slope. When I'm sitting in math and I'm trying to find how to find the slope of the line, I think about rise and run all the time. I think of this song and I'll be fine. Have slope come on, one slope come on, two slopes come on, that's three slopes. Yo, you think I'm dope? The answer is nope. We're gonna find that slope. Difference of the y and the difference of the x, also known as rise over run. Divide the two and then reduce. You got slope, 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 slope. And that's the song, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in class. Bye, y'all. I had to.